So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download bink2w64.dll. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down. We're going to download the latest one. It should be the one at the top. You want to click on download. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds. It should now be downloaded. If not, then you want to click right here, which will then start the download. Now once it's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the bink2w64 zip file. And now once we have this, you want to right click on it and then click on extract all. We can untick this box and then click on extract. We should now have this folder right here. Double click on it. You want to find bink2w64.dll. Once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on copy. And now once you've copied that, for the next step on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to open up the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. Now we're going to find System32. We're going to scroll down until we find System32. Double click on it. You want to paste the DLL file that we copied earlier into here. So just right click and then paste and then continue. It's now pasted it in. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then you want to uninstall your game that you're having a problem with and then reinstall it again.